Hello everyone, my name is Rodney. I'm from Formula Lookout, and in today's video, we're going to go through a Monday use case posted by a Monday user in the community. We see here that one of the Monday users posted that he has set up a three-board structure, company, portfolio, and project, and then he has a lot of items in there that he wanted to be linked. Now, he was able to do it, I guess, using the mirror function, connect board and the mirror columns. But because there's a limit, he is thinking that he might run into a roadblock with a lot of items already in the boards. So if he gave an example of how this works. So theoretically, if he has like 20 boards per or 20 projects board, he would and has 20 he has 20 portfolio boards, then he would have total of 400 projects. So I guess it's like one portfolio has 20 boards. I think that's what he means. So from there we can see that he has a lot of project boards linked to the portfolio, wherein everything in there must be synced. All right, so if he mentions that he would like to have, it's like company information that he wanted to be linked and synced on those boards. So we have replicated and we have recreated it here. We have set up a simplified version of his concern. So we've set up two project boards and one portfolio board. So we can see here I've set up ABC project board. It's empty right now. DEF project, and it's also empty, and the portfolio board, which is ABCDEF, just to simplify it. This is the portfolio board. So the workflow in this, the process in this is that anything that gets added here in the projects board, the two projects board should appear in the portfolio board. All right. So I've actually set up the automation, but not using the mirror column. So if you notice, this has no native connect boards column and mirror column in it. It's just the name of the project and the status. All right. So by the way, before we continue, we are using same item multiple boards by Formula Lookout. Let me try that now. Okay, so let's try here project A, and then here we'll put in project B. Okay, as you can see, it's just a simple, it's easy on the eyes, but when we check in the portfolio, we can see that the both projects are already added on the third one. All right, so let's try changing the status here, and this one would be livestock. Let's check if it's updated. There you go. You can see that it's happening right now. Okay, and for the stock, let's check its stock. All right, so from here we can see that it's synced. All right, not using any connect boards column or mirror column, which is great. Another thing, another feature that is available in here that you won't find using the native built-in functionalities or features in Monday is the updates. All right, so you can sync the updates, update 1 here, and let's check here. We can put in update 2 in the project B, side project B, update 2, right? And you should be able to see it here in the portfolio board. There you go. So if you can see it, that's already synced. And just recently, we've pushed two feature updates into production, which is for the sub items. All right, so let's check the sub items. But before we go into that, the sub items right now is synced via the item view center. All right, so it's the item view center is the right hand panel that you can see here. All right, so let's do that now. By doing that, you would look for same item multiple board. This is the app that we actually installed, all right, before I started recording. Same item multiple boards is developed by Formula Lookout, and it allows you to make the item live on other boards. All right, so from here we can see that we can turn on the shared sub items key, and then let's check here and add a sub item 1. So right now project B has one sub item, and let's check if it will sync on there you go. So it's already synced. Sometimes it takes time, all right, but since there's a lot of usage right now, so what we can see here is that it syncs any sub item that you add to it because we turned on the shared sub items. Okay, checking here, two sub items for project B. Okay, so does that include any status? Yes, it does. The status for the sub items all works the same as if that's the same item that you have on that board with the other board. Okay, so we can also, and as I said, there's two feature updates that we pushed. One is called the replies. So here, the update would have a reply. Okay, recently we were able to push that into production. Let's check how it works. Reply to update. Okay, so there's a lot of use cases that this can benefit. A lot of that can benefit from this process. Let's check first here. The reply that we did to project B. There you go. Because in many cases, we'd like to have just a simple one board that has all of it, or maybe not all of the columns in it. Okay, so that's also available in here because what you can sync are those columns that have the same name and same column type. So if you have columns that you wanted to have in the portfolio board, but you not necessarily would be getting from the projects, then that's okay. Just add those columns here, and that won't affect the other boards that are linked to it. Okay, so again, that's same item multiple boards by Formula Lookout, and my name is Rodney, and I hope you have a nice day. Thanks.